Guys, welcome to video 2 in your onboarding series. Hopefully you've had some time to get to know Avon now and take a look at Avon University. I'll include some screenshots in this video so you know where to find some things. But most of all, I hope that your excitement is still high and that you have so many ideas going through your head, you just don't know which ones to start first. So hopefully I can help you with that. Number one, we talked about going into Avon University and starting training. We talked about setting up your website and registering, getting started. So one of the first things with Avon that you want to get familiar with is the campaign calendar and when our orders are due. So I'm going to show you how to find that, and I'll include it in your email here so that you can get used to the campaign schedule. Every 2 weeks, we have a brand new book with special offers, sales, and exciting new products. What I love about that is it gives us as representatives and our customers something to be excited about every 2 weeks. Something about having something new and inspiring to get excited again is really helpful. So we're going to turn in our order every 2 weeks. If you want, you can always turn it in weekly, but to save on costs and fees, you do want to turn in as few as possible in order to still be able to run your business efficiently. So the campaign time frame is 2 weeks. You can turn in your order at any time during those 2 weeks, and there are some advantages of turning in early, such as product availability and brochure availability. So it's really up to you what works best for turning in orders. I do recommend that you don't wait till the very last day of the campaign to turn it in, which I know a lot of people do, but I highly recommend not doing that. So our cutoff day is actually every other Tuesday at 5 p.m. Eastern. So that would be 4 p.m. Central, 3 p.m. Mountain, and 2 p.m. Pacific time. Something that you want to do besides ordering brochures, and so you don't waste your very first order just on brochures, maybe you just want to order business cards. That's a very cost-effective way to get your name out there and to hand over a professional piece of contact information if someone's not sure that they want a book yet. So you want to look into getting business cards right away. And Avon has partnered with Vistaprint to be able to do that very easily. So I'll show you how to do that. And then we also want to get set up to be able to process credit and debit cards. This is so important, and my favorite vendor for that is Square. You can get your free reader, and there's also a lot of cool other services they provide, like a loyalty program and a marketing program. So we want to get you set up to be able to accept debit and credit cards. And then I also want you to print out the worksheets that come along with this email so that we can talk about your why. You can go through and do a contact list memory jogger, and then also a dream board activity. So why did you say yes to Avon? What are your financial goals? Money brings freedom. How do you define freedom? And how do you envision yourself when you reach these goals? So going back to that core why are you doing this? What are some of the tangible benefits that you're going to receive from being successful? And then let's put some reminders in your office, in your work area, so that when you're doing the hard work, that you keep in mind the reward, the gold that's at the end of the rainbow, if you will, because not a lot of people like to work hard, but a lot of us like the rewards that follow after. So keep in mind the benefits that you're going to get from working hard and trying everything to be successful. The memory jogger is going to help you think about all the different people in your life and who you can reach out to about your Avon business. Some things that you can do to get it off to a booming start is a grand opening party, a grand opening email, a grand opening virtual party. However you want to spin it, make a big deal and some excitement around the fact that you decided to start your very own Avon business. Contact people. Ask them if they'd like to see a book. Make sure you have the books first, but make sure that you're reaching out. Go ahead and put a check by all those contacts that you know you can make a list for, and then you can put a star if there's someone that you think might be interested in becoming a rep and doing this with you. It's always more fun with a friend. And then last but not least, creating that dream board. So I used to do this all the time when I was a young girl. We would get poster boards and we would cut out stuff in the magazines and we would dream about diamonds and fancy cars and the prince that was going to sweep us away off our feet. Maybe not. Maybe that's not really reality. But we can make our own Avon dream board and think about some of the rewards that we will see with the success of our Avon business. So maybe that's freedom of time to be able to read more. Maybe that's being able to go on a date with your husband every week. Let's build out those dreams and build that excitement to get some fire behind that hard work that needs to go in order to find success. I hope you enjoyed your second video. Be sure to do your homework. You have to do your homework to be successful, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.